actually talk about some of the comments that we're receiving from our grown folks business uh, panel that we did about a week ago. So gonna go through that. But again, just hope everybody's doing well. Please make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that like button if you're watching this live. Um, and whenever you do watch this, please again hit that like button. I'm trying to put out better and better quality each week. So that's what we're working on here. Been fixing up the studio. If you notice some changes in the background, things of that nature. So just we're about to hop into it. What we're gonna start off with first is just some comment reviews. I want you guys to kind of see what we go through in this space uh that we call, YouTube. I want people to be able to see and be able to understand what's going on here. So let's see here. Again, hope everybody's having a great day. So here, if you guys can see here, um, wanted to go over some of these. So this is actually some reviews that we received um, for our President Trump's first 30 days. These are some of the comments that we have been receiving. I'm going to read a few out to you. It's very interesting, though, to me that people can make a full assumption off of a 12-minute clip without going back to actually watch the whole podcast and actually hear everybody's thoughts and opinions. But, all attention is good attention. We love the hate. We love the support, however it comes in. But I just want you guys to see some of these. And, first of all, we have Mr. Woe Now. That says enough about him. Mr. Woe Now. He said that clown with those glasses on is an idiot. This idiot believing all those white lies. Mammy should have raised you better, you idiot. People will come to the internet and try to insult you, but as I always tell everybody, God bless, God bless you. We love it all. Came to survive a coup session at his highest. He was trying to call us coons. For those who aren't familiar with what's going on, he's calling us coons here. Let's see here. Let's go down to at Big Rock 99 2000, putting it down for the 99 and the 2000. I guess he's a Juvenile fan, so that's all good and well. He says, "Man, the amount of ignorance and misinformation in this video is astonishing." I'm glad he can spell though, but it's funny to think that these things are misinformation. Is it the amount of ignorance or is it misinformation? Because you only watched a 12-minute clip of almost an hour and a half video. So very funny. But to your ignorance, we love you anyway. It says, y'all discuss me as black men. Some bad, some bad. I don't know what that means. It says the fact that y'all cannot see that Trump wants to abolish all democracy and wants to destroy the Constitution. Please stop. Man, they did a great job on y'all. Explain to me has not how Trump has not one black man or woman in his political cabinet. It's very funny to me that all you who hate Trump care about if he has a black person in his cabinet. Just doesn't make sense to me. Baffles me. Uh, Somebody kind of reached there and said, "I smell bait and gaslight. We appreciate you." Uh, Big salute to at Bass Player 4196. We see you. Big salute to you, man. He said Trump changing the game. Salute to him. Yes, sir. Positivity, man. At Toy D354, you're a Cowboys fan, so I won't hate on you too bad. But he said waste of time. You know, sorry you wasted your 12 minutes of your day. I'm sure you're out there doing very productive things. Um, then we get here to at W Rocks New York. Just look at the stats who hold most DEI. Government jobs, black women. Of course they mad. Now they have to talk to black men like they got some sense. So we appreciate you. Big shout out to you, man. Uh, then you got Emperor something. I'm sure that's not you in your picture. He says, you're making them proud. Read more. Practice critical thinking. If you're getting your news from Fox, you're lost. Trump is a white supremacist. This whole MAGA movement is about maintaining white majority. Trump welcomes European immigration, but not from the non-white countries. Newsflash: African are on the continent first. Man, we appreciate you. Appreciate your education. Appreciate your knowledge that you're trying to give us. Definitely wasn't getting news from Fox. If you notice, it was actually a gentleman who actually provided what Trump did in the first 30 days. But you probably missed all that because you wanted to make your thing true. Appreciate brainwash. Appreciate you, man. You know, it's always the ones who don't look like us who support us. Very interesting, in my opinion. I see only your haters comment, so it's very, very interesting. He said, "I'm proud of y'all, man. We appreciate you." Said, "Thank you, brother." I said, "Hate and love is all the same." Um, then we go down here. We stroll on down to John Jones, 7137. Yeah, they some good boys. They know their place. I'd rather be a good boy than an ignorant boy any day. Don't get mad because D making his points on both sides of the house. Quan 345. Then it says, "Oh my God, it's the knowledge of Project 2025 in that room." Lord, I'm so embarrassed. Appreciate you. I guess that's who. Who is that? Hood something head wraps. You wouldn't be our speed anyway. We don't want no one with no head wraps. Uh, it's sad. I'm not a Cumberland supporter, but these dudes are delusional at the highest order. John Jones wanted to come in under the females post, man. John Jones, you just thirsty. Thirsty. But we appreciate y'all. Kendra, we appreciate you shaking your head. We found the bad apples. This is the one that really stood out to me. I really appreciate this. My boy, Mr. Is that Spluts or Mr. Plus, whatever his name is, 13, put us in the camp of Byron Donald and Tim Scott, thinking ASS dudes. Appreciate it, man. I would be in Brian Donald's team any day. Kind of lets everybody above know that we're not ignorant. At least he didn't say that, so that's cool. This is big, really big. Some are looking through the wrong lens. The same old lens program is stuck on stupid. It's why some people are still voting Democrat at this point. The ones in the office benefit with the public Dems at the same old stepchild treatment. Wake y'all butts up. We appreciate you, man. Some people see it. Some people see what's going on here. But the biggest thing